Imagine your phone lighting up, then ringing again and again. Within 48 hours, a quiet side project triggers 300 orders and 850,000 views, bursting into full-blown virality. This happened to the founder of an international snack brand called Snax. They detailed their entire experience in a candid online case study. Before we look at the logistics, please read the disclaimer on screen. This is not investment advice, and you should always do your own research. This is the specific timeline of what happened when that scale arrived without warning. Hitting massive online visibility overnight is the ultimate goal for almost anyone launching a product. But there is a significant gap between wanting reach and actually managing it as a one-person operation with 0 team members. This chart illustrates the quantitative leap. A predictable, manageable baseline abruptly spikes vertically into a wall of 850,000 views. That immediate volume forces a sudden pivot from steady growth to managing an unpredictable surge in fulfillment and logistics. Snax's groundwork was laid over 2 hard years. Operations ran out of a cramped department, where inventory took up every available inch. A year of steady growth allowed the founder to finally move operations out of their living room and into a co-warehouse. Then came the catalyst. Influencer Joe Bartolozzi randomly bought a mystery snack box, and he unboxed it on a live stream. Within hours, Shopify notifications were dinging continuously as website traffic exploded. Unpredictable events like this bypass traditional marketing funnels completely, instantly testing the absolute physical limits of a company's fulfillment capacity. If you're finding this case study helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more business breakdowns. The initial shock resulted in 2 days of constant tears for the founder, a surreal, overwhelming realization that the intense demand was real. Because they still worked a full-time day job, fulfilling those 300 orders meant frantically packing boxes solo late into the night. Stress compounded through specific bottlenecks, managing rising advertising costs, dealing with Amazon platform issues, all without any fulfillment support. Achieving maximum reach exposes the paradox of scaling. The ideal scenario of high demand creates an immediate, exhausting operational burden. This graph models the post-viral landscape. A highly volatile influx of orders eventually stabilizes into a steady, flat line at a new, higher baseline. When that spike ends, the primary challenge shifts. It's no longer about capturing marketing attention, but reinforcing the back-end infrastructure. To survive the pressure, the founder is exploring AI automation to handle customer emails, troubleshoot platforms, and offload manual oversight. Sustaining the daily grind of a scaled business demands replacing raw physical effort with automated systems. The Snax story shows how virality acts as an accelerant, exposing the existing structure rather than serving as a final destination. A side hustle must have a rock-solid foundation in place to withstand the sheer weight of its own success. Join our community of builders at HustleGrower.com and drop a comment below with your current hustle ideas. Sustained success depends on the infrastructure built before a lucky break arrives. Every system must be ready for the moment luck strikes.